The meaning of jamaja means as soon as or immediately after. As soon as. In Tagalog, in Filipino, we say agad, kaagad, pagkatapos ng isang action. Okay. It emphasizes that the second action happens immediately after the first action. So it means there will be two actions. So the verb stem, there should be the verb stem, of course, and then we are going to add jamaja. Okay, for example, kada. So kada. Kajamaja. So we just drop da and then we add jamaja. Kajamaja. Mokta. Mokjamaja. Mokjamaja. Oda. Ojamaja. So we have here 10 example sentences. 집에 오자마자 샤워했어요. 집에 오자마자 샤워했어요. 샤워했어요. So, as soon as arrived, nung dumating kaagad ako sa bahay, agad-agad ay nag-shower na ako or naligo na ako. So here, we have two actions. Oda. Oda. We drop da and then we add ojamaja. So what did you do as soon as you came home? Yes, you came home. Yes, that's right. As soon as I came home, I took a shower. Yes, that's it. So, we used jamaja because you immediately do another action after another action. Okay, next. 밥을 먹자마자 약을 먹었어요. 밥을 먹자마자 약을 먹었어요. 약을 먹었어요. So in English, we say, as soon as I ate, I took medicine. So what actions do we have here? 먹다, change to 먹자마자. And then the other action is 먹다 or 먹었다. 먹었어요. As soon as I ate, I took medicine. Pagkatapos kong kumain, agad akong uminom ng gamot.